Hi viewers, in today's setup, please observe the 4 components placed on the table. First component, 2 brass pipe connectors which was there for other use, but I plan to make a non-return valve as promised earlier using a spring controlled mechanism. For that I have assembled a spring here, another load here, it will apply a load, and as discussed earlier I have already told you there should be a silicon sheet on the opening. So, this is the silicon sheet in the opening is also seen in the background, and then let us assemble all those things and test whether this non-return valve functions properly or not. So, how do we assemble is important now. This thing will be fitted there by thread. It is a privilege for me that these two components are already threaded. That means, this will form the body of the non-return valve. And then I have to assemble all those things. What I have to do? I have to place the load item here, which will apply a load on the membrane. This is having holes for air passage, and then let's see, I load a spring there. The spring is loaded, the stud is there to support, and then the other part, that means the housing is to be loaded by thread. Simple, it is simple. Now, I have to operate so that you can see this balloon with a pipe will be fitted here. So, this side will be the air coming this way through this valve. Please see, valve is already set, and my air pump will be connected here, and let me pump it, and you have to see whether the balloon continues to retain the air or not. So, sometimes the valve needs to be adjusted. This is important. Tension of the spring, you see, with a sound air enters. Now, I readjust, and then please look. This is getting larger and larger, and then you will see, to protect the air from not returning, this portion should be tight. So, this is what the non-return valve works, and this is as for design operates on gases also. This will also work with liquid waters, but for gases we must be highly careful. Thank you for watching, and